Let's have a look at the chickens then. Okay, so this one is a 2 times winner.
So let me introduce you to Cluck Norris.
Oh shit.
Right, Jack Chick. Jack Chick.
Jack Chick.
Oh, you'll be. Oh, Willie! Fucking Jack.
Is this a good chicken?
It is a very good chicken, yes!
We have to fight it on Sunday.
Yes! Cluck Norris is going for the main card on Sunday. Alright, it's Sunday. I'm hungover again, but we're doing it.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys. To the winners, eh?
To the winners.
Okay, we made it to the arena.
Hey kids, it's your uncle. We are the only white people here. But that's travelling. This is local stuff. Look at that specimen.
Can we win today?
Yes. Always
Yes?
think positive.
Always think positive.
This is the matchmaking of our chicken, Cluck Norris. Big Toto's matchmaking him now. He's finding us an opponent. He's fighting next, yeah? This one. So his cousin's bet 11,000 pesos.
Are you a bit nervous?
No.
No. Because your chicken is strong.
I'm going to think positive always.
Think positive.
This is what we do, baby. He's the man. He's the man.
This time, this is our
3,000.
champion. We found him an opponent.
He's gonna win. All right, kids.
Nakiusap na ako ini sa management. Ito, aking nagbulit na ito.
Right, I've been allowed in. Probably one of the first white boys who's in the pits.
Ano kita ini? Ini nga susunod ko na ito. Dito sa
This place is packed now.
Right, we're going in. We're in the arena. Let's go.
Yes.
Come on, the boys. Come on, the boys. This is my chicken.
Alex in the corner. Yes.
All your money on this one. Come on, baby. Cluck Norris. God fucking damn it. We lost.
We're not lucky now.
He didn't do well.
Alright kids, this is it. Both of our chickens lost. We lost 150 bucks.
More than 150 bucks. But hey, look, we had a good time. We drank some beers, chat some shit with the locals. We'll be back better than ever.